So I just got off work and I was gonna go to the park with my friend Silka, and that's not happening now because of this. This is what it's like when it rains in Florida. There's my little car. Yeah. Look at that. Can you say no thank you? Yeah. No park for me tonight. Plus I have a really, really bad headache, so. Thought I'd give you an update. It's been about an hour and a half since I last showed you. It's still going. Yeah.
Here, we can do this again.
I'm with the Canadians again. Yay!
Wait, have you formally met Valerie?
I think I have. Yes, I have.
She's
Yeah,
just, like,
remember?
yeah.
I feel like
I don't
you in
tell
my
you
car
when it was.
one day.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
the one.
She was in my car.
Okay,
She
just
was in my
making
car.
sure you guys knew each
Yes.
other.
Yes.
What is Erica doing?
I'm lighting us up.
Yeah, she's making us
I thought
visible.
she was just like, guys, look at my picture.
No, I'm lighting us up.
We just chilling in Launch Bay, trying to figure out what we're gonna eat soon. So yeah, and then we're gonna go meet up with Justin and Silka and who else? Shona.
Shona.
What just happened?
I got arrested.
Erica just got arrested by the stormtroopers.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Experience the IC360 sensation. It's the seated plane, seated and it's only
Want to fight? This is
No.
what Justin says.
We're in line for Star Tours,
And he wants to fight.
and apparently Justin wants to fight. I can't see your guys' faces.
So aggressive.
So aggressive.
It's the hot.
I know. Here we go. Now I match. So Kenzie's never seen a single Star Wars movie. She's just along for the ride.
Yeah.
You've seen all the Star Warses, right?
Of course.
Okay, good. Of course.
I love space
Have you
friends.
guys seen all the Star Warses?
Star Wars.
I've seen the first
Star Wars.
The first
But
one.
like, which is maybe the fourth one. I don't know how it works.
So was it old?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. So that's up.
And like the Princess Leia bar.
Yes. Nailed it. So, we just went on Star Tours.
And I just realized that she has never seen Festival of Fantasy Parade,
Oops.
which needs to change.
Oops. I hear it when I'm at work.
insane.
And then I see the what's the show? The Friendship Fair? That one?
Yeah.
I see the fireworks from work, but I don't think I've seen that either. I've
we're
seen
gonna-
like the end
Monday.
of it. Monday, next Monday.
Be there.
Be there, be square. But yes, that one right there. Where's my hand? Oh, where'd he go? Got chosen as.
The Rebel
I was
Spy.
like, what? Not the Rebel Spy. Last time we did it with Erica, so maybe it'll be someone else in our group next time. And I want his shirt. My hand's missing right there. You can't see it. I want it. I need that. Green Army Men, Green Army Men, remind me. I can't even say it that many times in a row. I'm gonna fall down the stairs. Okay. What are we doing?
We're going to see Pixar live.
Kinsey is super stoked.
I'm so excited. Who would be your exit buddy?
Paul, how long have you been in Orlando? 5 years. 5 years. You know what I like about the number 5 there, son? That's how many push-ups you're going to do with me right down here. Let's go. Right now. Let's go. Paul, I want you to drop it right here, son, and do 5 push-ups for me. Let's go. Right now. Here we go. Drop it, son. Stop. Now stop with it. Oh, hold on. Now hold on. Private Paul. No, I didn't say get up, Private Paul. Get back. I want you to count these out yourself, nice and loud, so everyone back there can hear you. Ready, Private Paul? Continue. Stop right there, Private Paul. Can you hear him back there? That's what I thought. Even the lady in the second row can't hear you. Louder, Private Paul, and go! Can you hear him now? Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Hello. Hello. Let's move it out here, brass. Come on. Or I'll have a trombone to pick with you back there. Oh, yeah, that's right. What's the matter, drummer? You're tired of me snaring you down? Oh, that's right. Civilians, have no fear. We will guitar act together very soon. That's only if the percussion can figure out the symbolism. Enough of you. Bring out the concert master. Let's bring it forward. Give her a round of applause. Ma'am, you have the work cut out for you tonight. This rowdy orchestra is in desperate need of platooning up, as you were. Enjoy the concert! Hoorah!
Working well, they're not conscious of it. They're not thinking, oh, there's Ellie's name again. You know, they're just watching the movie and they're engrossed in it, and subconsciously, they know Carl's thinking about Ellie.
Master! Oh, I almost lost you. Now I found you. Yes, I am a great tracker. My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you. Have you seen a small mailman? My master said, squirrel! Oh, my master is leaving. I will follow him because I'm a good dog, a good dog. Squirrel!
Carl and Doug.
I think mine are like Up and Monsters U. And I think Finding Dory now too. What's your favorite Pixar movies?
I like Brave.
Great. That's not Pixar, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess it is.
And I like Monsters and Finding Nemo.
I do really love Brave too. Okay, that was a lot. So we just finished Pixar, raced to Tower of Terror, and every single time I ride that ride, I have the worst anxiety beforehand, even though I know what happens and I know how much I love it. Oh God. Thanks, sir. Thanks. So now I think we're gonna go to Rock and Roller Coaster, but I am not gonna ride tonight because I have a miserable headache. Oh, poncho time. Eating chocolate covered mangoes. So clearly I'm home now. After we left Rockin', I did not go on it first of all. I've had a really bad headache for the past, I'd say now 30 some odd hours. So I didn't go on that, but then Kenzie, Shona, and Justin and I all left. We didn't stay for the fireworks so we could beat the traffic because we weren't going to go to Jelly Rolls, which is where the rest of our friends were going to go. So now I'm home. I'm going to shower and finally wash my hair, enjoy my chocolate covered mangoes, and call it a night. So good night. Enjoy my chocolate.